This is part one of two videos for the Power Love Seat by Neptane. FYI, this product was gifted for my honest review. So this is how I received the products in 4 boxes, which are each 29 by 16 inches, which you can easily get through the door of your RV. But I will actually be unboxing this product outside so I can give you a good visual of what it looks like completely unboxed. And as you can see, you get 2 backs, 2 bases, 2 armrests, 2 shoulder pieces, and 2 cup holders. This love seat is 55 inches wide, and I have 65 inches of space, so plenty, and all the pieces easily fit through the door of my RV. Here's a shot of the hardware, which is minimal and easy to set up. Firstly, make sure that the base is positioned with the arm tracks on the outside, like so. Then you want to expose the bottom of the base and remove the little pillows underneath. Then align and push the 2 pieces together. Then grab your base nut and bolt and start placing the hardware hand tightened underneath. For the lower part of the plate, you only need the nuts and bolt. But for the upper portion, you'll need the little foot piece. Put the bolt into the foot piece and then hand tighten the bolt in the back. Once you have everything aligned, grab your Allen key that comes in the kit and tighten like so. No more tools are needed. Here's a quick visual of what the front and the rear portion should look like when it's all complete. Next step is to gently lower the base and position so you are able to install the back portion and the side portions of the love seat. Now very easily grab the back portion, align the tracks, and push down in place. You may have to wiggle a little bit. And the same goes for the armrest, and make sure you grab the correct armrest to align the tracks properly, and also make sure that the cup holders are facing the right direction. Gently push down and no tools necessary. Same goes for the shoulder rest, align and push in place. Next, you want to position the couches in a way where you can get to the wiring. First step is to connect the armrest wire with the base wire like so, and when you connect it, make sure you lock in place. Same thing goes for both sides, and just tuck in the wiring underneath. Now this adapter goes to your power adapter. You want to connect those also on each side. The plug looks something like this and lock in place on both sides, and when you're done, it should look something like this. Now you're ready to connect your power adapter, which looks like this. Align with your harness and secure in place, and complete the wiring by plugging in your 2-prong adapter. For the last and easiest part of the assembly is installing your cup holders. Simply drop them in place like so. And there you have it, folks. Easy assembly for an easy upgrade for your RV life. See you on the next one.